Welcome to My Teacher's Box. Today, we are going to look at the Certificate Builder. Once you open the Certificate Builder, you'll be prompted to choose between horizontal or vertical orientation. My design is horizontal. Next, it's going to ask you to choose your background. This can either be a PDF or an image. In my case, I already have a pre-designed background that I downloaded from the internet, which I'm going to use. After that, it will ask for your Excel spreadsheet. Inside your Excel spreadsheet, all you need are the correct headings with the data underneath them. In this case, my Excel spreadsheet has the name, surname, and achievements of each learner. Once you've opened it inside the editor, you'll now have access to the data fields. Firstly, choose your data field and place it where you want it. In my case, I'm going to place the name and surname underneath the "This certificate is proudly presented to" heading. Now, the problem with the name and surname fields is that both can have different lengths depending on the learner's name. To make sure that it will always fit correctly, all I have to do is drag one field over the other field until it asks if I want to merge these two fields. I'll select Merge. Let's make this field bigger. I can now go into this field's settings and edit it. Inside the settings, I can change the font. Let me change the font to something that fits our design better. That looks great. I'm going to change the alignment to center, and I'm also going to increase the font size. That looks much better. Additionally, if the background you've chosen already has old names or achievements that you would like to hide, all you have to do is place a field over the information you want to cover. Then inside the field settings, change the background color. First, choose the background color that matches the certificate background, then increase its opacity to 100% so that we can't see through it. Just like that, it can hide any old information on the certificate. In my case, there's no old information to hide, so I'm just going to place the field where I want the name and surname to appear. Next, I'm going to add the Achievements field. I'm going to place it underneath the For Achieving heading. In my case, some learners may have an entire paragraph of achievements, so I'm going to decrease the font size and also center it. I already like the font that's being used, so I'm going to keep it. Additionally, I can add custom text, like for example the date, and place it above the date heading. And just like that, I've now placed all my data fields. I can also save this layout and use it again later, but for now, let's preview our certificates. As you can see, it automatically creates every learner's certificate neatly all in one go. Now let's download it. I'm going to export it to PDF. I'm just going to choose the normal A4 option. And just like that, you'll see that we now have a zip folder ready to download. I've also added links to WinRAR and WinZip in case you need software to unzip the folder. Let's open up the files and see what our certificates look like. Inside the folder, you'll see two things: a complete PDF containing all the certificates together, and a second folder containing every learner's individual certificates separately. This makes it easy if you need to print all certificates at once or edit and resend individual certificates later. And that's it for the Certificate Builder in My Teacher's Box. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.